Greetings. Welcome to my video on what's happening here now. One thing I wanted to show you was some videos that was presented to us last month, a couple of months ago in December, end of December of 2022, and compare that to a test of that was done over a decade ago, and just kind of put some questions to it and not necessarily have the answers, but just start thinking about what the differences are between the two. As you can see, the first one is the test of an eVTOL cabin at the NASA facility. And you can tell that the bottom collapsed and the top collapsed. Here I show you the one that was done a decade ago and showing that it has skids and how different the impacts are. Now, the first one, you would think that there would be some additional information concerning what the intended purpose of the testing was, because without understanding how they're going to accomplish the same energy absorbing material in the eVTOL as compared to the skid structure for the helicopter, the light version of the helicopter, that would be the indications of understanding how that's different and what the intended purpose of the test. There's an article in Vertical Flight where they discuss it with the NASA, and they were getting it for data, and they made indications of some type of, they were going to take into account the energy absorption between the seats and the structure. It'd be interesting to see if they have new methods and new materials or some different understructure that they're looking at. That would hopefully be telltale in the next few months. They're supposed to make a presentation at the Forum 79 down in Palm Beach, Florida, in the month of May of 2023. And it'd be interesting to see how that all develops. You can read some of my notes that I also have on this in the posting. And I appreciate your comments, your concerns, and if there's maybe a little bit more drawn out of how this is supposed to occur. I have my thoughts. This would be taking a longer video than this to be able to discuss that, but I appreciate your time and have a good day.